Okay, so what makes a good weld? Is it the operator? Is it the machine? Or is it the process? Well, the way we see it here, it's all three of them. What I wanted to talk to you about process. Here we've got a drawing. We identify the type of the weld. We then develop a weld procedure in accordance with our welding engineer. That weld procedure talks about what speed the machine should run at, what gas you should use, what method, whether it's a MIG or a TIG welding process. Then that test piece gets x-rayed, and ultimately, if they've done it right, it complies. We now know we've got our procedure right. We set the machine back to that same settings that we had, and with advanced machinery like the one behind me, enable us to get the exact same weld every single time.